Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about basic PLC GE. Okay. In the previous video, we already learned about the move boolean from Proficy Machine Edition, and we also connected this variable to the HMI and then test also. So today we will continue our lesson in part 11 that we focus about the timer on concept. Okay, here is the block of timer on, yes, for ladder logic, and here is the tool chest that we can drag and drop the timer on from the tool chest to the project, yes, and then we can test also. And this is the principal working of timer on and operation of timer on, timer off, and timer pause. It very similar for this timer, so we can learn it from one by one. Okay, so first let's go to our program for test and see the concept of timer on first. So let's go. I will choose the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. Yes. So first let's go to the program blocks and then right click and create a new folder. Example LD timer, yes, and right click and then choose the ladder blocks because we are learning ladder, yes. So LD timing example, okay. So don't forget call this subprogram to the main program, otherwise the program is not working if we don't call it. So double click on the main program and click call, yeah, click this one and double click, yes, and choose the LD timing, yes, this block, and let's go to open blocks. Actually we can use the tool chest for drag and drop. Example, we not found the timer, yeah, we can go here and then go to the ladder instruction and then go to the tab timers, and we can drag and drop the timer from the tool chest to this block. Okay, and one more, if we want to insert for fast, we can type ton, yes, TON, and then press enter. It also give us the timer on also. Okay, so for this one is enabled. If everyone want to see the instruction of this timer, let's go to here and then press F1 key, yes, and you will see the all instruction of the timer, yes, here, yes. Timer off, it is the principal working and graph, yes. Timer on and timer pause, yes. So in this lesson we will focus on the timer on first. So this is the principal working of timer on. For 5000, here is a 5000, so it will go to 5 seconds. Yes, you see 5 seconds. It is the 5000. If we would like to go to 10 minutes, we can set the 10,000. So the output will on within 10 seconds. Okay. So here is the input, and here is the timing, and it is the output. Okay. So when input on, yes, input on, you see the output is not yet on, right? Sorry, this is a timer pile, and this is a timer on. When input on, you see the output is not yet on, right? So it waits the timing that we set in the PT, right, in here. So it waits 5 seconds, yes, and then let the output is on, yes. And if we want to stop the output, we just turn off the input. The output will turn off immediately. Okay. So this is the concept of timer on. And right now we go to our program for test. So this one, I create one button for enable the input. Example, down enable, yes. And this is a preset time, right? So if I would like to got 5 seconds, I will type the 5000, yes. And this is the name of the timer on, so we can give it the name also, otherwise it will not working. Okay. So example, I will give time 1, timer on, yes. And this one is the value that it can show when we enable the input, yes. So example, time 1 on ET, yes. And this is the output, so we can create the new coil for output, yes. Okay, I will adjust a little bit. Okay, so let's go to validate our program. It error 1 because this one need to have the name also. So in the previous video we control motor until motor 3, and then this one we will put the motor 4, yeah. For example, motor 4, and we need to assign the register also for connect it to the HMI. So for this switch, I would like to assign the %, yes. And this one is the double integer, yes. So I assign the %A. Okay. And this one I will assign the %Q for output. Okay. Okay, right now we let's go to validate again, yes. It is no error occur, so we can save our program and then download to the PLC. Yes. Yes. So I turn off this one first. So if we would like to see the graph the same as here we can also create. Yes, so let's go to click here and then click watch. One more for output and then click watch. Yes, and then go to this tab, go to the double click on the data monitor and drag and drop this one to the data monitor. Yes, okay, so let's go to our block and then enable this one. Yes, you see the input is on but the output not yet on. It wait the preset time. Yes, 5 seconds. Yes, and then if I turn off, yes, you see the output is turned off immediately if the input off. Okay, so we can compare to the graph. Yes, compare to this. And if everyone would like to adjust the timer, yes, adjust the timing preset time. Example 10 seconds, so we can adjust to 10 seconds. 10 seconds, it means that 10,000. Yes, so download again. Okay, and if I enable this switch, yes, turn on this switch again, you see the output is not yet on. It wait 10 seconds first. Yes, after 10 seconds the output is turned on. Okay, so we can take these variables to show at the SCADA also. Yes, so let's go to our project of workbench. Yes, and then go to the previous project that we already learned in the previous video, and then go to the points for create the new point. Yes, create the new point. Yeah, new, and then example enable town 1. Yes, and we will choose the boolean, right, because it is the switch, right? So I turn off the switch first. Yes, choose the boolean. Yes, and then go here the person right, person number 321 for enable. Then we can assign the person 321 for this switch, and one more for output. We can duplicate and assign the variable for motor number 4. Yes, this one, and person Q number 4. So person Q4. Yes, and one more for this timer. We for double integer. You see the data type is the double integer, so we can create the variable also. Let's go to here and then click new. Example town 1 underscore et. Yes, this one, and choose the analog, right, because it double integer. Yes, and choose the double integer and then go to here and choose the person R12. Yes, this one. Okay, so actually we can also set from the HMI for this one. Then we create one more variables. Yeah, So example town 1 PT, yes, and then a sub, okay, and I will assign person A for this also. So person A number 14, and then I will download again. If we want to link with the HMI, we must assign the address for link. Okay, so this one I will duplicate one more for town 1 PT, yes, and then person 14. Okay, so I will update the project and then start the project for create the new screen for test our program. Okay, so project is starting and then complete. Let's go to the screen and then create a new screen. Yes, and let's zoom a little bit, zoom. Yes, I will adjust the geometry to be smaller than this. Example 500. Yes, like this, because it only one motor. Example 4, and this one 300. Okay, like this, easy to understand. And then we go to the Explorer, yes, drawing tab, and then go to Explorer and then choose the one switch, right? Choose the one switch, drag and drop the one switch from the Object Explorer to the our screen, yeah, and then choose the points. Enable, right? This one is enable timer on, yes. Let's click and then zoom out. And one more for motor, so we can click here and then type M, yes, to find the motor. Yeah, here is the motor. So if I would like to take some motor from this one, we can drag and drop from this one to here, yes, and then zoom. Yeah, we can zoom also, resize, yes. So here we can change the condition, yeah, change the color of motor, right? Example, the normal motor is color red, yes, and if the motor turn on, it will go to green, right? In the expression, we go to browse the points and then go to the motor number 4, right? So we can find by type motor, yes, motor number 4, and then go to field and then choose the solid because we would like to change the color of the motor, yes, like this. And one more for PT, right, for preset time and ET, yes. Let's go to here and then choose the rectangle there and go to change the color for black, yes, and one more for text string for set the preset the value of timer, yes. This one we can type like this, and then let's go to the text tab and go the expression, then browse the point and let's go to TON PT, right? And then go to the integer, yes, and set point action, right? Because we would like to set the some value to the timer, so we choose the set action. Okay, so I will align to be good looking. Okay, so this is the PT, right? Here is the PT. So I can write down PT like this. Okay, down PT. I can adjust a little bit align, yes, to be good looking. Yes, and actually we can copy, right? Right click and then copy and then paste. This is a ET, right? ET. So we can write down ET. Yes, and this one for the ET, right? So right click and then we don't no need to set point action, so we don't trick it, and then go here and then browse the point for timer for ET, this one, just double click and then apply. Yes, we will got the screen like this. So let's save our screen. Let the project screen, yes, example screen file.sim, right? Okay, so let's run our screen for test. Okay, so first we need to set the value, right, from the HMI to the Proficy Machine Edition. Yes, example I need 5 seconds, so I will set the 5,000. Yes, you see 5,000 from the HMI to here, and then let test the motor. Yes, okay, the person queue number 4 is the motor 4 is turned on, and then the motor will change from red color to the green color. Okay, so if I would like to stop, I just disable the button. If I would like to change some timer, I just choose like this. Yes, 10 seconds. 10 seconds, right? So we can test again. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so it's very easy for create the timer on in the Proficy Machine Edition and link to the HMI. Okay, so thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please comment under my video. I will reply soon. And don't forget, like, subscribe channel also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create soon. So thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.